least we can get in.
Well, we couldn't get upstairs, but that's why we went in the bar, because we thought you could still get in from upstairs in the bar. You can't.
See, it sounds a lot of apples. You've got...
That wasn't very good, was it? Hello, everybody!
Stand up, Sharon!
Stand on a chair.
Quiet!
Someone's shoulders. Are you volunteering?
Just to say thanks for all coming along today. We are a bit overwhelmed with the amount of people that have turned up. The Mayor of Newham has come along today, and Kevin Jenkins from Newham Community Links, to whom the eggs are eventually going, to say a few words. So you don't want to listen to me rabbiting on. So I'll hand you straight over to the Mayor of Newham.
When Sharon says that the eggs are going to Kevin Jenkins, she didn't mean to him personally, of course. Can I say I'm pleased to be here? When I say that, I don't say it lightly, because I really am pleased to be here, because you're such a wonderful crowd of people. I came last year, I think, Christmas for the toy run, and I was amazed to find the distances that the bikers come from to take part in the event at that time, and I'm sure this time. And you go unsung, I think, and unheralded. I think that's the way you want it. And it's just amazing the generosity shown by you to complete this epic thing today. So can I say thank you from the bottom of my heart on behalf of everybody in the borough for what you do and what you're going to do today. Thank you all very, very much.
I'm from Community Links, and Easter eggs is not for me, despite the fact that one or two people at past comment they thought they was. And I've come here now, I think this is the 6th year, and this is overwhelming today, the number of people here. But for the benefit of those who, for the first time came, I'll just very quickly tell you a little bit about Community Links, because we've been involved with EVS now for a number of years, and we're a local main children's charity in Newham. Throughout the year we organise various projects for various children in need, ranging from clubs, holidays, a toy for the Christmas that many of you know about, and the children refer to us from a whole variety of local organisations, ranging from one-parent family groups, battered wives groups, children's groups who support those who have been abused, children who just live in families who are very poor and needy, to children who have got problems, children who have been in trouble, either to not going to school, or in trouble with the police and so on. And we work with those children throughout the year, and at Christmas time we run a toy appeal to try and give them a few toys at Christmas. And at Easter time, many of you may think, in this day and age, every child around here gets an Easter egg, everyone gets an Easter egg. But I can assure you they don't. It's very, very difficult if you're living on benefits to survive. They are very, very tied to the bone, really. And if you've got a couple of kids, in this day and age, you go in Woolworths and you buy a couple of Easter eggs, that sort of thing, it's going to cost you a tenner. And quite often, if you're living on £50, £60 a week, you just can't afford that. And when the kids go to school on Monday, all the other kids have got Easter eggs, and they're saying they haven't. And it's, I know it sounds very hard to believe, but in this day and age, there's an awful lot of people, children locally, who don't get that. And this year, because of this amazing effort, once again, those are the children who will be able to do that.